Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place a manual order on the updated Print and Mint website. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your account. I've already done that and it'll bring you to this page. Then you're going to go ahead and choose a product to design. So I'm going to go ahead and click products, and today I would like to design the coaster. So here we go. Click here and I'll just go ahead and click design. So here it brings me up to the design editor. I've already designed something. I'm going to go ahead and upload from my files. So there's my design. It's stripes. It's really cute. Okay, and you can play around with this design editor, but for now this is a good design for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And I can go ahead and click save. And then now I get to change the product name if I want to, edit the product description, and then make sure you pay attention to these options right here. If you want this design to be deleted after you order it, click here, but most likely you don't, so keep it saved for future orders. Now I'm going to add it to my cart. Okay, here you have your coaster. I can change the quantity here. I want to order 4 coasters because that just makes sense. So I got 4, so it automatically changed to 10. And if you want right here, you can empty your cart. It'll set it back to 0. And if you wanted to add that back to your cart later on, you could go back to my account and click My Designs. Click the coaster again, and then go ahead and add that to your cart again, and you'll end up on the same screen. Over here, you want to pay attention to the packaging options that you have chosen. If you want to change this, right now I have crinkle none, ribbon none, basic packaging. If I want to change it to deluxe or change my crinkle or ribbon color, I can go back over to my account. This will save in my cart, so I can go to my account, and then you're going to go over here to custom packaging manual orders. And this is where you can adjust all of these settings. So I can make it a pink crinkle with twine for the ribbon. And if I wanted to do deluxe, I could click here and change it that way. Go ahead and save settings. And then when I go back to my cart, clicking this icon right here, it should show my updated settings. So I have crinkle, pink, ribbon, twine, and I'm still set for the basic packaging. If you want to enable express production, this will get your items into our production line in about 1 to 2 days. If you just do basic, it'll be about 2 to 4 depending on the season. That could vary though. One more thing is that if you want any production notes, these are notes that you would write to alert our team of anything while it's going through our assembly line. You can put it here. So if for example, I was putting in a blank sample product just to be able to test what the product looks like with no printing on it, you would want to note that here, because most of the time if we see any sort of blank files coming through, we assume it's a mistake. So if you have something special like that, please note it in the production notes. For gift messages, this will be something that you can tell the recipient of the product, and that'll show up on the packing label. It cannot be super long because that packing label isn't very big. So just write like a cute little gift message. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and click process checkout. Okay, you make sure your billing address is correct and your shipping address is too. So I can click here and then that'll bring me to the exact same billing address if I want my shipping address to be the same. In this case, I do. Make sure all of this looks correct. So I ordered 4 coasters. These are my basic packaging. Let's go ahead and click confirm. And then this is where you can pick your delivery method. And then here's where you can choose your payment method. I am going to pay with the wallet for now. So if I click pay now, then it will order my product. All right, and so this is my confirmation number. Please keep this for your own records, just in case you want to contact support and refer back to your order. We will also send an email to confirm that we've received your order. So this is how you submit a manual order on the new Print and Mint website. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Print and Mint content.